This is a review of the TODI phone tripod slash selfie stick, and I just wanted to quickly run through how this device works. You can see it comes in a very compact design, and to use it you simply just start here on the bottom by separating this triangle area here. You can see it breaks apart right away, and that's what's going to form the base of your tripod. Now, the next thing you're going to do is simply just pull here, and it all comes out and expands. Now your phone is going to be put here. You can see the action that will hold the phone in place is very strong. So it's a nice, secure way to hold the phone, and it's very adjustable. It bends forward, backwards, side to side, so you can capture that perfect shot. And when you're done, you simply just press down, it collapses back, everything goes back into place, and you can throw it in your backpack or your purse and go to the next spot to shoot your next video. It also comes with a wireless remote, which goes here. It has a very high quality build to it. It is made out of aluminum alloy, which is very high grade, very durable, not too heavy, but solid construction. And I would highly recommend this for anyone looking for a selfie stick or a phone tripod.